saya Waode Nur Arini dengan NIM 24650107 kelas C dari Teknik Informatika. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang how to improve your English skill. Chapter 1. The start of the journey. Have you ever wondered what separate fluent speakers from those who struggle? Is their grammar, their vocabulary, or maybe their accent? This thing matter, of course, but the real secret lies in the word confidence. Confidence transform the way you speak. It helps you express your ideas, even if your grammar is not perfect or you forgot a word. But how do you build confidence, especially when you're just starting out? The answer is simple: practice. Practice doesn't just make perfect; it's make speaking natural. Let's dive into the techniques that will change how you approach English speaking forever. Chapter 2. Building confidence. Let's start with the foundation confidence. Many learners think they need to be perfect before they can speak, but that's not true. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. It's come from practice and from allowing yourself to make mistakes. Think about this. When a child learns to speak, today wait until they know every word, number. They just try. The same is true for you. Start small. Say a simple sentence like "How are you?" or "What's your name?" Repeat these process until they feel natural. Each time you speak, you're taking a step forward. And remember, mistakes are not failures. They're opportunities to learn. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So start today. Say one sentence in English, then say another. Over time, your confidence will grow and speaking will feel easier. Chapter 3. The part of listening. Before you can speak well, you need to listen. Listening is the key to understanding how the language works. When you listen to native speakers, you hear how they form sentence, you notice their tone, their rhythm, and their pronunciation, but don't just listen. Passively practice active listening. This means paying attention to every word. For example, if you're watching a movie or video in English, pause it after a sentence. Repeat what you hear, try to copy the speaker tone and their pronunciation. It's okay if it feels straight at the first. With time, your brain will start to recognize patterns. You will naturally become new words, phrases, and sentence structure. So listen often, listen carefully, and remember, every time you listen, you're preparing yourself to speak better. Chapter 4. Repetition and practice. Repetition is one of the most powerful tools for learning. When you repeat a word, a sentence, your brain gets used to it, becomes easier to remember and easier to say. Think about how you learn your native language. You hear the same word again and again. That's how they become part of. You can use the same method for English or listener phrases like "How are you today? Can you help me? I would like some water, please." Say that sentence again and again to count every word, read them down, and practice reading them out loud. Another great way to practice is by using shadowing. Listen to another speaker and repeat what they say was cute. You can just help your brain and mouth work together just like fluent speaker. Remember, and more you repeat, the more natural speaking becomes. Practice every day, even for a few minutes on, the words will flow without you even thinking about them. Chapter 5. Making perfect. Making practice fun. Learning a language doesn't have to be boring. In fact, making practice fun is one of the best ways to say mother. Think about the active you enjoy in college. You're throwing them in the language practice. For example, try role playing a mage. You're ordering for in a restaurant product. You are store buying something or out conversation you met with a friend role playing help you practice real life situation is building your confidence and you get to have fun while doing it. You can also try speaking games. There are so many games that help you language learning, so can be fun online or you can make your own. For instance, you can play a word association game where you say a word and quickly respond with the first word that comes to mind, making it fun keep you engaged. And the more fun you have, the faster you learn. So find way to make your practice enjoyable and you see your progress grow faster. Chapter 6, Real Life Practice. The best way to improve your speaking skill is through real life practice. Is one thing to practice by yourself, but the magic happens when you speak with others. Finding someone to practice with is incredibly flexible when you can find a speaking partner online, in person, like for a friend, a teacher, or even a language exchange partner. Speaking with other help you get used to real conversation. Start to understand how people actually speaking, not just like the textbook version. When you practice with a partner, you expose to different accent, speaking speed, and slang. This expression teach you how to respond in different situations and help you build your confidence. Even if you make mistakes, don't worry. The more you speak, the more you'll improve. In fact, it's common for learners to feel nervous at first, but you keep practicing, you feel more comfortable, and speaking will become second natural. Remember, practice makes progress. Every conversation is a step forward. So find someone to talk to and take your speaking skill to the next level. Chapter 7, the process of consistency to improve your English speaking consistent. It's okay, you don't need to practice for hours every day, even 10 or 5 minutes that have difference. If you do it regularly, the most important this is to make English a part of the relevant moment throughout the day. You practice, you can practice will you making breakfast, will you walking off, or even before bed. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it will feel. Smart start small, focus on speaking just one sentence a day and build up from there. But remember, consistent is about making it a habit. If you make language practice part of your routine, it will become easier and you see progress. And don't forget to be patient with yourself. Language learning is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your small victoria, because every step forward counts. With time, dedication, and a little bit of fun, you'll see your confidence grow and your speaking skill will improve. Sekian saya, terima kasih.